Okie dokie. In this problem, we are going to find the weekly profit if Cindy makes and sells 16 bobbleheads. So the approach we're going to take in this case is to identify all the unknowns that we need to find the profit, revenue, and cost. And then we're just going to perform those calculations in Math Notes. So let's get started. For profit, we will need revenue and cost. For revenue, we need a price and a quantity. For the cost, we need a variable cost, quantity, and a fixed cost. So really, if we can identify price, quantity, variable cost, and fixed cost, that will give us the revenue and cost, and that will give us the profit. So let's do a lot of identifying first. The price that we are selling things for, the price that we're selling bobbleheads for is $17. So we'll say P equals 17. Next, the quantity that we are making and selling is 16. The variable cost is $7, so I'll just say V equals 7. And the fixed cost is 55. So I'll say F equals 55. Now, with a few small calculations using these, these constants, we should be able to calculate the revenue and then the cost. So I will say that the revenue is price times quantity. So just P times Q equals, and we get 272. Then the cost should be variable cost times Q plus the fixed cost, and that gives us 167. Therefore, the revenue is 272 if you want to do it like this, and then the cost would be 167. And then what we could do is revenue minus cost equals, and that is our profit, just like that. So that's kind of a fun way of going about it. Maybe a little extra, a little tedious with all this labeling and then doing it like that, but it's a fun use of Math Notes if you wanted to do it this way, and if your brain kind of worked in this way, like maybe you prefer identifying all the unknowns and then putting them into equations like this. So it's up to you, but it's a fun way to go about it. Anyway, this was a way to go about this in Math Notes. That's pretty much all I got. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.